Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to align the quantity selector with the Add to Cart button in Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard and click on the Online Store button on the left. This opens our Themes page where we'll select our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens our theme's file page. In the filter field, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.ss. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We'll scroll this script to the very bottom. Just keep scrolling down to the end. Let's go to the last line, which will be blank, and hit enter to move down. Next, we'll visit the hosttube.net website. The link is in the description, and there we'll find the code for this video. Look for the copy button. After copying, go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. Once pasted, click the Save button in the top right corner. The changes will be saved successfully. Now, on any product page, the Quantity Selector and Add button will be side by side. They'll work correctly. Click Add to include the selected quantity. This only works on desktop. On mobile, it'll stay in the default layout due to limited space. On desktop, it's now a side-by-side selector and Add to Cart button. You've easily made this edit to your store. I hope this video helped.